Hello everyone, welcome to the Ideasphere Consultancy. Today we are going to discuss what is an AI is and how the AI will work. After watching this video, you will understand deeply how the AI is actually working in the background and use cases of AI what we have. So let's start. So what is an AI? Nowadays you are seeing that AI everywhere is going AI, AI, AI. So AI is basically machine with an intelligence or learning with an adaptations or transformative potentials. Like that, AI refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks and typically require human intelligence like problem solving, learning and decision making. A core concept of AI is its ability to learn from its data, like its historic data, like humans, what humans can do. Humans is learn from its mistakes and if what the happened in the past. So it's similar to the AI. It's learn from its data, like historic data it may be, and improve its performance without explicit programming for every scenario. And AI holds immense potential to reshape industries and drive innovation, address complex challenges across various domains, from healthcare to transport, finance, everywhere is the AI. So let's discuss what is AI. If we are defining an AI, so what is an AI? Mechanism with human-like intelligence, machine, like a behaving like a machines, how the human will think. AI enables computer to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes cognitive functions such as learning from experience, reasoning from through problems, recognizing of patterns, making informed decisions. AI encompasses a wide array of advanced technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision. Well, now discuss how the AI actually work, what was going on the backend to perform and such type of tasks to perform these things, how in the backend was going on. AI simply what done, simply learn and improve autonomously from very vast data sets. We have first to give the data. Everything AI is mainly dependent on the data. It is working on only about data, eliminating the needs for explicit programming. This learning process is the fundamental of AI to capability to evolve and adapt. Machine learning and deep learning. What is a machine learning? How is a machine learn from the data? Algorithms are trained on a large amount of data to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions more valuable and more accurate for the same. Totally depend on the data. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, usually a neural networks with a multiple layers, mimicking the human brain and a structure for more complex pattern recognitions. Now discuss the stages of AI development. How is the AI development was going on? If you are developing an AI, then how do you have to going with the stage step by step procedure to do? First, we have to reactive machines. Then we have a memory. Then we have a mind and self-aware AI. First, going with the reactive machines, basic AI that operates without memory, reacting solely to present inputs like IBM Blue Deep Chess computer, which could only analyze current board states. Limit another stage is limited memory. Most current AI systems fall into this memory, learning from past data to inform future decisions, like self-driven cars use historical observations to navigate in the roads. Like Tesla, we have a limited memory scope. We are going with that. Another stage is theory of mind. Future AI that could understand emotions, beliefs, and social interactions, enabling more human-like communications. Still in research and development phase. Currently, not exactly was implemented. It was in a development phase because day by day we are seeing that AI going enhanced and going on. Self-aware AI, a hypothetical stage where AI possesses consciousness and self-awareness akin to human intelligence. Like AI is exactly similar to the human intelligence. Like robotics, we can say the base stage of robotics. This concept remains familiar in the realm of science fiction. Now discuss the types of AI according to its capability. That how the AI will perform according to what was the capability of that particular AI have. Like a narrow AI, like a Gen AI, like a Furigate AI. What is a narrow AI? AI is specialized in single task, performing it exceptionally well. Like voice assistant like Siri and Alexa are the narrow AI part, and general AI possessing human level cognitive, like capabilities of performing various tasks, like learning and applying intelligence broadly, basic similar to the humans we have. And they got super intelligent AI, ASI. AI that surpass human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem solving, social skills. A future concept is a super intelligence AI. Everyday if AI is everywhere. We see that everyday examples we consider, like in every part of our if you are from a tech background, if you are from a non-tech background, you are seeing AI everywhere, like ChatGPT, Netflix and YouTube uses AI, Tesla uses AI, Google Translate using AI. ChatGPT basically what it does, generate human like text and engage in natural conversation, demonstrating advanced natural language processing. And how is the YouTube, Netflix utilizing sophisticated AI algorithm to provide personalized contact, recommendation, and enhancing user experience. Tesla integrates AI-powered computer visions and autonomous systems for its self-driving capabilities and enhance safety features with the help of an AI. That is, AI is everywhere we have in today's world. If we are in going to the things that are going on, like we do not think that how is the AI was in YouTube. If we are daily using YouTube, but did not think that AI is there because YouTube uses algorithm of AI. Google Translate leverage AI for high accurate translations and communicating barrier globally. AI technologies powering innovations, like how the AI technologies innovate yourself. First is computer vision, enable machines to interpret and understanding visual information from the world, like image and audio recognition. Natural language processing, allow computer to understand, interpret and generate human languages, making interactions more innovative. Generative AI, a cutting edge field focused on creating new and original content such as text, image, music and more. Autonomous systems, technologies that allow machines to operate independently, including self-driving cars, drones, and robotics everywhere. AI impact across industries. That how AI was coming to the industries and how it is helping to the industries. For healthcare, AI assists in early disease detection from a medical imaging and personalized treatment plans. Finance, AI-driven systems enhance fraud detections, automate trading, and improve risk assessments. Retail, AI provides personalized shopping experience, optimizing supply chains and forest forecast inventory. Transportation, AI powered traffic management system and enables the development of autonomous vehicles. Challenges and ethical considerations. Basically now the AI is everywhere, and when there is a new thing was come, it always there is some plus and minus we have. So we have some challenges and ethical consideration with the AI. While AI offers immense potential, its development deployment come with the significant challenges and ethical responsibilities. Key concerns: data and computing power. AI demands vast amount of data because AI only generates the information on the behalf of its data sets provided to the AI, and intensive computational resources. Bias systems can inherit and amplify biases present in their training data, leading to unfair outcomes. As I already told you that AI basically generates its information on the behalf of its data. The data provided to AI on the behalf of the data, AI will proceed and generates the output. So it might be a possibility if we are giving a data different data sets with different data sets is unfair, then the outcome will be chances probability will be unfair. Privacy. The extensive use of data raises significantly privacy concern for individuals. Top job displacement. Automation by AI may lead to change in the job market and require workforce adoptions. Responsible AI development emphasizes ethics, fairness, transparency, and accountability to maximize benefits and mitigate risk. The future of AI transforming our world. AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, constantly unlocking new possibilities across all sectors. Its impact extends far beyond mere automation, delivering into creative problem solving and reshaping human-computer interaction. From automating routine tasks freeing up human potential to driving innovation solution for a complex global challenges. AI is fundamental reshaping how we live, work, and interact. Embracing AI responsibility with a focus on ethical guidance and human-centric design will be crucial to maximize the transformative benefits for society as a whole. Thanks for the watching this video. If this you will like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone. Now you will learn everything about what is an AI going on. For now, from the next session, you will learn how is the AI related to the Salesforce. What is the history of AI in a Salesforce? Thank you.